Not all closed door is locked. You see, oftentimes we come head on with that situation that seems like a closed door, and we begin to think that, oh, it is locked or it's locked against me. There was a time in the Bible having to do with Joshua. The Bible says concerning Jericho, it said Jericho was tightly secured. But then God came to speak to Joshua and he said to Joshua, he said, Jericho have I given. He said, I have given Jericho into your hands. So Joshua at the time, this place is locked. But he didn't know it was locked up so that it would be delivered into his hand. So it's not every lock that is against you. Some lock are for your sake. Because if it's not locked, other people would have walked in there. So it was locked up, waiting for you until you come. Many times you come head on with a door that is closed. If you conclude from afar, you will walk back and never come close. But many times, if you come close, you will realize that the door, though is closed, is not locked. So a little knock can let the door open for you and you walk in. The point or the lesson from this is that we should learn not to judge from afar. Come close to find out how things are. Judging from afar could have to do with rumors, it could have to do with hearsay. Get to find out yourself. What is the fact on ground? Check out whether this thing is like that. The morning of resurrection of Jesus, the Bible talked about some women who were going to the tomb of Jesus to anoint the tomb, to anoint him at the tomb. But then they were thinking in their mind, and they said, who will roll away the stone? But then the Bible says something. When they stood up and started making that journey, and they looked, they saw that the stone has been rolled away. You see, some of those locks are in your mind. You need to get up and walk straight into that place to see that truly not all closed door is locked. A door might be closed, but that doesn't mean it's locked. You see, many times what you tried yesterday that didn't work could have started working today. So if you are still working with the mindset of yesterday, you will be denied of the opportunity that is there today to enjoy. So what do? Even though it didn't work yesterday, you still have to go try today. Don't approach a new day with the old mindset thinking, oh, it is locked. No, though it might be locked yesterday, this is a new day. Go in there and find out what the reality is. So not all closed door is locked. Make a try. Go out there. Check out how things are. Check out things for yourself. Verify things for yourself. Verify facts before you make your conclusions. Don't stay from afar and say, oh, that's it all. Like I say, it might not have worked yesterday. Maybe there was one or two reasons it didn't work yesterday, but today is a new day. Not all closed door is locked. I'll meet you in the next episode. God bless you. I'm Nnebedum.